My name is Joe Robinson, and I'm a realtor with Wycott Realtors in Locust Grove, Virginia. And today I'm here with Doug Price of Goosehead Insurance out of Dulles, Virginia, and he's here to answer some questions about homeowners insurance. Thank you so much for being here today, Doug.
Thanks for having me.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about Goosehead Insurance?
Sure, I'll be glad to. Goosehead Insurance is one of the fastest growing, largest independent brokers in the country. The two things that I like the most about Goosehead that drew me to them is, first of all, we have a huge network of top A-rated carriers that we can shop your insurance through to make sure you got the right coverage for the best price instead of just one. The second thing that I love about them is we have a service team, a fully licensed service team that can help clients walk them through a claim, to help make changes, answer any questions, help make the home buying process really easy. We are basically a completely lender-focused business, and we partner with realtors and loan officers to make sure their clients get the right insurance.
Thank you very much. Why do I need homeowners insurance?
Homeowners insurance is very critical. It's so important. The number one reason, obviously, is to help protect the home, to help protect the home buyer against financial loss in the event of a covered peril. Whether it's a major catastrophe like a crashed train or a crashed plane or a huge storm or something smaller like a small fire in your kitchen. It helps give you confidence that if you get your home is damaged, that you're going to get it completely rebuilt to the condition that it was in without having to come out of pocket with a huge amount. Which I know I can't afford that, can you?
No. What does renter's insurance cover versus homeowners insurance?
Well, they're very similar, but the primary thing is renter's insurance focuses on the renter's personal belongings, the contents that are in the rental location, and then it also protects against certain liability concerns for the tenant himself. Homeowners insurance covers all of that, but in addition to that, they also covers loss of use, other aspects of personal liability, and it also protects, obviously, the structure of the home itself and the house as a whole.
Thank you. And do I need to let my insurance agent know if my home is going to be vacant for more than 30 days, like if I was putting it up for sale?
Yes, it's always a good idea to let your insurance agent know so that we can reach out to the insurance company. The underwriters that work for the insurance companies have certain things that they're very concerned about in regards to like fire or vandalism. And if you have a covered peril, you may be excluded from coverage and protection if they haven't given you the right policy or given you a separate endorsement to help protect it if it's been vacant for more than 30 days.
And does homeowners insurance cover flood?
It does not. Homeowners insurance doesn't cover flood at all. Flood has to be purchased separately, federally. It's the same price no matter where you buy it. And it's always a good idea, whether you're in a moderate flood zone or a low risk or a high risk, it's always a good idea to get some flood coverage to give you the ultimate confidence that you're going to be protected. Flood basically is defined as like standing water.
Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody. Before we go, Doug is going to give us a few quick tips and tell us how to get a hold of him if you have any questions.
Sure. Probably the two best tips I give all my clients is not to call your homeowner's insurance with a bunch of questions about coverage. Reach out to your agent directly. A pattern of phone calls can count negatively against you as far as how risk is rated that affects your overall premium, as if you made a $10,000 claim. So you're better off just talking to your agent about it. And then personal article floating. Make sure that if you have any specifically expensive items that are over $5,000, that you schedule them separately. It adds to the premium, but it gives you the right type of protection and coverage and confidence that they're going to be properly replaced in the event of a covered peril. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, doug.price@goosehead.com, 703-867-7380. I'll be glad to help. I'll be glad to shop your insurance to make sure you're getting your money's worth, or make sure you got the best possible price and the right coverage. We can check for gaps or answer any questions you have.
Thank y'all for watching.